The world has changed. Not so long ago, we were living in Shadowlands, separate from one another. Three great men ventured in their own ways to faraway lands, and with
Beautiful home, my country. Come with me. Let's go.
Canada. I'm Ezra. I live in the beautiful city of Sydney, right on the harbour. I was born here, and so are my parents.
My favourite animal is the platypus because its bill and webbed feet are like ducks. Its body is like an otter's and its tail is like a beaver's.